thought I'd make a short video because I have a question and I need some opinions here. And it's not about these two motorcycles. It's about what's covered up behind them. Let me roll this out and I'll ask you your opinions. Hopefully you'll have some for me. Okay, here it is. The issue that may be an issue, may not be an issue. This here is a 2004 Mustang Mach 1. It's got the shaker hood. We acquired this not too long ago, a few months ago, and I'm trying to figure out exactly what to do with the sound of the exhaust system. Right now, it has a crossover cat delete system, and then from that area, cat back, it has a Borla stainless exhaust system on it, and the sound of it is pretty aggressive. Not sure that it's to my taste. It has a low rumble to it, which is really nice, but it's maybe a little bit too aggressive, and I'm going to start it up and let you hear it. This car, when we got it, had some very superficial damage up front, so we had this area all redone to fix any of the superficial damage. There was just a bit of it down here, and it was just cherried up, so obviously there's absolutely no rock chips. But in doing so, in clear coating, we removed the satin tape that was on the hood. And while I was at it, since we were doing a little bit of the silver paint, we took this off, and this was kind of a satin black kind of spoiler on here, and it's now body color. So just a couple things we did. Of course, tinted windows and that kind of stuff, detailed under the hood, and the interior is mint condition. I might do a replacement on the head unit, the radio, and put a different touchscreen system in it. So that's something to do. But first, I need to know, you Mustang owners and you hot rodders, or you vintage car guys, I mentioned what my exhaust system was. I'm thinking about adding maybe a couple more resonators or something to just drop the volume of the exhaust but still keep the low tone. So we've got the Borla cat back system, and we have cat delete with the crossover just in front of it. So that's what we have for an exhaust currently. What's your opinion? Let's listen to it right now. So there you have it. That's the sound, and it's I like the sound. it's those Borla catback system, the stainless steel system, is really nice, and it's got some really cool tips on it. Just a great sounding system, but on the other hand, maybe just a little bit too much. Maybe knock it down a little bit. So any suggestions of what we could put on there to just tone it down just a little bit, that would be great and greatly appreciated. So this was just a short little video. I know it's not a motorcycle thing or something like that, but yeah, maybe you guys have an opinion. Let me know. Thanks.